In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook lead ads. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple, high-converting lead campaign that collects contact details right inside Facebook or Instagram without sending people to an external website. First, a quick primer. Facebook lead ads use an on-platform form that opens instantly when someone taps your ad. Because there's no slow page load, people can submit their info with fewer clicks, and Meta securely stores the responses for you. This format works especially well for newsletters, quotes, demos, and event signups. Let's get started by heading to Meta Ads Manager and signing in. Make sure you're in the ad account that's connected to the page you want to promote. Once you're in, click the Create button to start a new campaign. When you see the list of objectives, choose Lead Generation. This tells the system your goal is to collect leads, so delivery and optimization will favor people likely to complete your form. Next, move into your ad set settings. Begin by defining your audience. Set the location to where your ideal customers live or operate, then choose an age range and gender that match who you serve. Keep it relevant but not overly narrow, so the system has room to find the best prospects. Now set your budget and schedule. You can pick a daily budget for consistent pacing or a lifetime budget if you prefer to control spend over a fixed date range. A modest starting budget is perfectly fine. You can scale once you see steady results. Also, set a schedule that aligns with when your audience is most active and double-check the time zone in your account settings. Choose your placements. If you're unsure, automatic placements are a good default because they let the system find the most efficient results across Facebook and Instagram. If you prefer manual control, prioritize the feeds to start, since they give you more space for visuals and text. For conversion location, select Instant Forms. This keeps people on Facebook or Instagram to submit their details quickly, which typically boosts completion rates. When you set up your form, aim for only the fields you truly need. Shorter forms tend to convert better, and a clear description of what someone gets in return builds trust. Finally, review and publish. Double-check your audience, budget, placements, and form details. Use the preview to see how your ad appears on different placements, make any last adjustments, then click Publish. That's it. Your lead ad is live and ready to capture interest with minimal friction.